Your clothes had them folded. I took two of these little plastic bowls, two plastic bowls, added some hot glue on the top, set this on the top. There we have our little tables for the nightclub.
Before we had words, we played before our brains could really think about what we wanted to say. There was color and imagination. Playing regulates the nervous system. We're using our hands. We are cutting, we're gluing, arranging tiny furniture, painting. It calms the body, lowers stress hormones, slows racing thoughts, brings you into the present moment. It's basically meditation with Barbie and glitter. When life feels chaotic, creating something, especially something small, it gives you a choice. It gives you order. It's grounding and empowering. You're building something that you can get a reward from instantly. Joy. The joy is overwhelming. It just calms you down. Your mind doesn't have to think about all the things that you have to think about just for that moment. So play isn't childish, it's human. Boys never stop playing with their toys, cars, motorcycles, basketballs, footballs, baseballs. They're just big toys for men, toys that never age out. So why should dolls? Why should crafting? Enjoy yourself today. Make something with your own hands, from your own mind, for your own heart.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Yeah. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, new life for me. Woo, and I'm feeling good.